That's
Where is your portrait?
one of the worst shoots I ever done.
Where is my phone? Did I left it there?
And all the best.
Take care.
Tell BBC Radio, pull that phrase out.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are here in London in beautiful Battersea at the moment and planning to go to Chinatown where we are about to make a 5 minutes POV challenge, and the challenge gonna be today.
So we have three concepts. Will be less of a freestyle. We need to actually take three type of pictures. The first one will be long exposure. The second one will be a picture using a photo using a reflection. And then the last one, it will be portrait of a stranger. So we need to ask people passing by if they allow us to take a picture, basically.
Not wasting more time, let's
go to Chinatown.
let's go! Woohoo! Hey!
Choo choo!
Yo! See you guys in Chinatown! See this mess. So guys, today we're gonna use the Canon 6D Mark II with a 35mm lens. We got the f1.4, which is great because we're getting kind of in a low light situation right now. I'm just setting up for GoPro and I think I'm ready. I'm a bit excited, especially about the portrait, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna somehow manage. Okay guys, 5 minutes on the clock. Stranger, long exposure and a reflection. Time starting now. Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Hello guys, sorry, do you have just a minute? I'm doing a YouTube video right now and one of my challenges needs to take a picture of a stranger. Would you mind to just take a photo of you guys if you don't mind? Just over here, if you could stand for me and that background basically. It would take 1 minute. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Thank you, you are amazing. Thank you. Just a second. Yeah, basically just stand here for me and just look at me and I'm just gonna take a picture of you guys. Beautiful. So, 3, 2, 1. 1 second, let me do one more, just one more. Perfect, thank you so much guys. I'll just show you as well, here are the pictures basically. And we're just doing a YouTube and I got only 5 minutes so I need to run. Thank you so much guys. Okay, now long exposure. So we got 4 seconds on a clock. Auto. Yeah. Sorry. I have 3 minutes. No. Where did I do? I can't come up without. Let's do one more because now I'm very good with time. We're doing a YouTube basically. I got 5 minutes challenge and I need to take a long exposure picture of a stranger and the reflection. Now I'm doing the long exposure shot, which is just done, and I need to run for the reflection. Sorry. Okay, 125, 2 point. Okay, 1. I'm doing great.
I think it holds fine with everyone. Yeah.
Lovely. I think I got everything I need.
Look at you.
Where is my phone? Did I left it there? Oh, I
Run.
think
You got your phone?
I got my phone. I just left it for the long exposure shot. It was kind of challenging, and the guy was talking to me, so I totally forgot because I needed to run for the reflection shot. I just did over here. I quite enjoyed the shots. The stranger was a bit funny and challenging, but we managed. And now I believe, Kaya, it's your turn. Are you ready?
I feel very unwell.
All right, guys. See you on Kaya turn. You got 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Can you put me?
Give me.
Okay.
Wow. This guy is extreme creative.
Oh my goodness. Is it reflecting? Nope. No. Nope.
Oh, there.
Sorry. Any reflection here? Okay, let's hope I have something.
Made a wrong piece of
Okay. Let me do the long exposure. Quickly. Man, disgusting.
Do you want to know how much time you have?
No. Why now it's not moving? Nothing is moving. You are in my shot. It's okay. But oh wow, nothing is left. Let's do one more.
No yet? working on a long exposure shot.
3 days later.
3 days later.
Okay, let's hope.
Well, you have 2 minutes, I'm just saying.
Okay. No! Okay, let's go somewhere else. I'm just creating. Okay, let's say I have it.
You have it? Which one?
Long exposure.
Okay, so only portrait left.
No, reflection still.
You're gonna run out of time, just saying. You got 1 minute.
Not today, nothing working.
Time.
Well, that's
Where is your portrait?
one of the worst shoots I ever done.
Well, on the record, if you want a picture, it still counts in the challenge. If you want, you can take a picture of you.
Yeah, you in the public, yeah.
Too many pictures, shall we try one?
I'm saying, but I'm saying I only like a soldier still doing this, you know what I'm saying? Because I just come and just take my eye up. Yeah, I don't want to look at myself. Yeah, that's my ghost, that don't mean that's my ghost.
Amazing.
That's my ghost.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your quick back.
Thank you. Have a lovely one, yes?
And all the best.
Take care.
Paper mind, tell BBC Radio, put that phrase out. All these big hard work for sisters gonna pay out. It's a personal life, we're gonna say it's a failure. So take a look in the mirror and guess what we wanna be like. Life ain't sweet like these are dreams when dreams die. So what you gonna do when the man next to you become a pilot? And you're in the same place like I not. Future paves the way. So today I'm gonna start where I've never started before, cause nothing goes in real life and there's no hand up for losers. Only winners keep smiling. So I'm gonna keep my head up, cause the sky is the limit. Heading for the universe where the man never